Hey friends, it's Sean with iwashyouDry.com, and today we are going to be making this delicious edible cookie dough. Oh my goodness, this stuff is so addictive. It is so easy to make too, and I cannot wait to show you how easy it is. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is start with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And yes, we are going to have to heat treat this flour so it does not have any bacteria in it, and the easiest way to do that is in the microwave. So I'm gonna pop this in a microwave safe dish in the microwave for just 30 seconds and then give it a little stir, another 30 seconds, and then we're gonna use an instant read thermometer to check that the temperature has reached a safe 165 degrees. All right, now that we've reached 165 degrees, we know we've got some safe flour. So we're gonna wanna let this cool down. And what I like to do is you can either pop it into another cool dish and then pop it into the refrigerator, or you can just let it cool at room temperature. And while that is cooling, we're going to get the rest of our edible cookie dough mixed up. Okay, and it's all gonna start with a 1/2 cup of Land O'Lakes salted butter. And I'm using the half sticks because I love how quick and easy these come together. And they are softened, so I can push down on them and I can make them squish a little bit, which is the right consistency that we want to make our cookie dough. So we're gonna add that to a bowl, as well as a 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. I'm gonna use my stand mixer or hand mixer and mix this together until the mixture is light and fluffy. All right, I just scrape down the sides. Once you've got the butter and the sugars creamed together, and then we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, as well as 2 tablespoons of milk. And that milk is going to be in place of what would normally be eggs in a cookie dough recipe. So it'll give it its liquid that we need to give it that nice cookie dough consistency. All right, now we're gonna take that heat treated flour and we're gonna add it right in to our butter and sugar mixture. Oh man, how good does that cookie dough look? So delicious. Now, I am gonna add 3/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. I love the mini chocolate chips because they're easy to eat, especially in this edible cookie dough. They're nice little bits of chocolate. So we're just gonna fold that in. And this cookie dough right now is a little soft. And if you like more of a firm cookie dough, what you can do is you can pop this into the fridge and it will last up to a week in the fridge as long as you keep it covered. But there you go, that's it. Now here's where, like, if you were making a normal cookie, you would pop these into the oven and bake them, and you know, maybe your mom would smack your hand and say, "Don't eat that cookie dough." But now you get to eat the cookie dough. So, let's see. I don't have a spoon, but I do have a fork. I'm just gonna grab a little bit out of here. It almost tastes sinful. That is so yummy. Okay. I really hope you enjoy this. This is just a fun little treat that you can make. The kids love it. And I know somebody's gonna ask me this, but no, you cannot bake these cookies. There is no leavening agents in this cookie, so it would just be kind of a flat mess, but excellent for just snacking on and having a quick little treat. Okay, real quick, let me show you how I like to store this. So I am going to just pour this out onto a sheet of wax paper. I'm gonna roll it up into a little log, and then I can pop this in the fridge and just cut off a little slice anytime I want a quick little treat. So I will pop that into the fridge and it's ready, and that can last up to a week in the fridge or even a few months in the freezer. So I hope you guys check this out on iwashyouDry.com, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.